I have a company in Ghana. I have my own company in Ghana. I went for a business trip. So what I say, company no enye galamsey company, enye yi your friends saying, I buy me project contracts, about said the Canada Japan. I buy a man a contract, I know a contract reduce so ekikemu me ni contract via wa bem. And I'm being called lobby for any contract ewa bem da. Say almost say sana man for be kika say oh slow mo copy contract na fa man na obo aban echi. Obi a owo proof up omonko procurement department omonko minerals commission omonko ministries ni nyina nko we say mema call lobby contract bi o ana me lobby contract bi a o eti sa almost start here no afi almost meton nuro meton cocaine abra me ti krum ha cocaine powder no kra me hu bi da ebi mu say me kra me ti Colorado say o say Colorado you legalize we wa ha states no ebo wa legalize Colorado can states na legalize we ya obi tumi chechiro te say trumpet na bona no na obi an kana hwe almost I feel crowd if so also no we come uni me from way back no say if cigarette go say man aha inti they you see MPP no one problem omo say problem bi wo ho na some of us are be bold etumi aka be me pe bibia wa ban mu time MPP USA for you winning election yeah omo ko ede omo ko pagement na ebi CEO se bi deputy ministers e bi directors ni yi we nyina omo ka say me fa me CV and me say that I'm not ready.
Why?
Because one me pese madisua ni drum pempenso bi na me bob bredu pempenso bi a me ko Ghana nimdie a mabenya wa ha no me de ekoboa na nya say me kotena Ghana akopesika se me pesca no America mum na me de akọ and that's what I'm trying to do. Se me ko Ghana na me ko wia ban sika na nkwala eti school dem mo munya des entna so na ene ohia adorin kofo na me ko wia o man sika e de abetu to fie what say de binum aye sisi a mewo mehu bi ye ko abemu no omuko wia me I'm not ready. Me bo bra no ha mom na sebi maye de ompese menya ama me ko Ghana me makoboa ma no matumpon. That's me. Come on, my membra we ni so se bibiba na ye ne a ye betumi akasa no na fi omo pekwan bi e de afa so a discredit se ne be ya o kasa kra obi enti. That's MPP, which is bad. So obi ka asem na mutumi sa asem ne no kra no yentena se ne yenhwe kwan be fa so e be ye inse se mo be try a discredit nipa no de nyame hira no or safe will be in with me, I said, and that's one thing they should know.
Now, so
and I'm because me free. Come on, tell me about. No, tell me about me free. Sorry, I knew. Every Sunday, will be on me from school way back, or was a tech through to UMass, through to New Mexico Tech to Colorado School of Mine. Obi on me be a bedia dance actual say. Those time nani pa ye heja kakra. Ye bibia de mrantie bibia kama me no mienu nyina de mrantie bibia na ye bi ye be ko club ya ko bi ya ye we Sunday first mass me kwa ko bompaye me na nasem o ka kire me ne se ewiase minim se ewiase ehuja ne sa no no na emum never forget your God. Sunday kwa sorry untumi nko edamu ni nyina Roma de 1 hour 1 hour out of 24 hours on Sunday no spend this 1 hour no efa man nia obo uba asasi we so kodanase na wochi a etwam no nia waya ma wo danase a no wasre nkwa enda ede wonim for the next week no wasanso asre nkoso asre bambo me na na futu odi to me and every Sunday even say me too kwan kra I say me plane jam me control say me drive wa me do a city bia na ma park na ma google nearest Catholic church in this area obun say yama me ombe hu na makobo mpae na ma to me correction na ma say to me car na me ko. That's me.
Me pacho na de nti na we MPP ni mapa because you show colors, you share, you do my MPP, you share only opinion for any other. Now, when to me information crowd near the when to me uncle coom, and I went to me amfa and could share Montpini, no one for Mano. Nemo Uko, maybe a Ghana, just a president to watch as an MPP member. Now, where the baby was, I didn't know.
You come on, Medasi. Mpanyinfoɔ ka asɛm bi sɛ panyin a yɛntunufo ɛwɔ dan mu no ɔkɔ abɔnten ma ne ntoma etumi kɔte agyanan akokɔ agyanan ɛma n'anim gu ase obedwom because ne ntoma akɔte agyanan akokɔ agyanan ne kɔɔ yɛ ɔgye sɛ ɔkɔtunufo wɔn hwɛ a obedi watem wow ti na obi aka na no atum wow na wakɔ na wakɔgye anim gu ase. That's exactly what happened. Why am I saying this? Come on. My man starting free Mr. Osafuma for the end. So everyone class won't start your questions from Washington DC. Okay. Anyway, let me start from there. When I heard, that week now me coach na swimming pool mo Ghana na walking. Me called Ghana trip by April. And me be drew me to Saturday and me do Sunday. The Sunday me rest here. Na Monday I'm pa or said me office ye you may be. Monday, me Tuesday, and a minya hint to say Ghana from penny for by a town hall meeting. A year, Mr. Safumafo, Mr. Kanofuriata, you Grant, and all those people ever a town hall meeting. I'm saying, town hall meeting with you. No ma koso Ghana, ma fight sank ma either vice, chief of staff, or president, any petition at 2 minimum. Menyano. This is the opportunity for me to meet these people. Now, my pile me 10 questions that order that. And I'm saying that be. Town hall, a public way. In Jaden, I mean, didn't kind send you a message. Now, I mean, fan from some between I 5 minutes be. Now, me the massima to woman near Koswa. Me tested Mr. Safumafu. Me one number, me one numbers. Me tested Mr. Safumafu. Me tested Ken Oforiata. Me testing penyimfo bebre. Asema me ken omuntie ni. Nya se me pe se me gum penyimfo anymore ase obodwum. For what? E dey na menya. Menya mantehwe. Enti Tuesday no a menya hint no. Na me investigation so yes and my investigation say no correct. Me investigation via just some quick phone calls be na say no correct. Ti sa Tuesday na me duru office na me twa ticket. Air ticket. I had to Washington DC 3.5 hours. We try me ticket, book me hotel, BBA come on. Wow. Na program near the next Sunday. And I then so say Uchan in tema out to me nya some discount kakra to me try in term na me day train Sunday. So Thursday, na me friend Mr. Safumafo on phone one fa. Maybe you can friend through WhatsApp one fa. Na me friend use to credit at the friend normal line one fa. And I'm a friend can offer one fat. I'm saying, okay. And yet, me so me could be some questions. Okay. It me call Washington DC, And I'm moderator and a friend Kofi Tonto. Oh no, or yeah, time I war 2015, 2016, no na or communicate crana. Time I about power or my election bill no obey communications director MPP USA. See no mama no offer on a year I'm say information officer or embassy or something. Into one another moderator. So Kofi Tonto, I contacted him and I'm saying no, the person me share and penny for you. Me person made bisa question e wo bedwom say me share penny for. Na me dem nsem to omanim. No maybe a cost me fee say or say me no discuss. As a former executive USADA, I have the right. As a former communicator, me try radio so a communicating my party host to show. Emma man from all over the world and because of that, crime very customer got radio to say make a communicate MPP no. We need to set the ball rolling. Near say yedi yebe 2 years amaye tumi akọ defend the party no. We can't continue like this. So Kofi Tonto and say omo koma elite no omo call IMF omo elite we you know ebi embaso na I'm say okay. And then maybe say one question because not everybody was entitled to answer one question. I'm say fine. Inti Safma for mama almost speech na day in a way. And a question time me pajamas. I was the first person pajamas. It said you see what we are. Confident time frame that. One frame and I'm sorry, Obi frame. Inti me I'm sorry. And I'm a cody line so. And you confident in a frame. To be cody line so it drew me so no. And I'm the Kobisa, Sao Safma for question. He said, Sao question, no, you have to think on your feet and produce answer. Sao Bisa question. And I'm a question, who name question baby sir. To us, okay, on answer. It is a who didn't try. You be all kind of cry then. You be that was what happened to Safma. When the men so maybe sir. Now my kotu the Emrano, my kotu articles, this almost said. This is what Emrano can, and I'm also Mukoye say. And no Safmafo, Eko can say, jailing that woman would not solve our monetary problem and all that.
Wow.
Very good. Based on that experience, share your phone calls and messages about so. So now yes, sir, we MPP ni na bibini kra enti obu oha o ma me ferry o mo no na ma chirim o say oh and yes and you right. Send you yes obi show mo okukum na o menti you right. Almost am fi say hu hia say me so almost no then I ignore me respond to you. Yes. And based on that experience, President Akufo-Addo Maye no initial na town hall meeting. Samubeka ya. In the town hall meeting na me hu ye. Ti me hu ya na me yes search quick. Contact him mpanyimfo no mo say no correct town hall meeting baso. And the next day na me try me ticket to New Jersey. And no na me fly to see New York. Na my brother abefa me from airport. Na you go New Jersey about 1.5 drive. Enti you try me ticket we ya bibia no. And I miss there me did 2 ho. Me frɛ me sanso testi bio mus etiefo ntien yi. Me testi Eugene Ahin. Asenso Boache, Eugene Director of Communication or Presidency. Francis Asenso Boache, Deputy Chief of Staff. Ken Ofori-Atta, Finance Minister, Papa ne cousin. His Excellency, Nana Akufo-Addo cousin. Nana ya Osafo Mafo, ono so ye, so ebusuani o se bibisa I don't know. On a senior minister, so ono na ministers ni nyina o hwese o maduma bekoyi. Me teste Atachia Works and Housing, Papa ne cousin.
Wow.
And penny ba kubiem. Me penny on the MPP no. Me fire on Ejuju Makuma, Peter Mewu, Honorable Peter Mewu. The honor Lands and Natural Resources and never be energy minister no. Me testi on so. Say Ghana 14 year. Matisa president be town hall meeting. Munina munim de see Osafo Mr. Osafo Mafo Washington DC. Enipa bebre no blame me say me MPP ni makubisa such a question with nipem. Me pese me bisa na Akufo-Addo question with nipem. Monya arrangement. Na we kra de enya petition am de koma no. Eye documents amagada. Me pese me de nyina gu file mu abone to fa me de question nsem say je. Ene file ni nyina me de koma papa no. Me de sa file black na mu hu video no. Eno an say me de ma no file no kra me pe. O de documents ni nyina file ni nyina me de nsem.
Wow.
Na makama sema chense say na mehu somebody before kra me be call we no me call ye adwuma nti meba no me call ye adwuma so mine bi meba no na me hu small scale mining bi no mo ya ensuo so da wa na ensuo say sem be kaya ma me twa video ti na kan pese me sa video no ko che ne say galamsey nsem na ekoso no we can do it better.
Wow.
We can do it in such a way, say, yensu ni yensas no, yense no. Come out, say your large scale mining in Ghana. No more mining gold. No more the almost sensu ni sasia. Other na small scale yentu yen ye momus. Emma bra, yensu ni yensas yembo mobile. It is our video no, kaya evidence I'm not chire papa ne say. Yensu betwen ye. Any evidence be a magada. Kwabnane minister ba interministerial committee. for now also shema your friend is saying you took galamse asene mo ye proper mining no neba any China for na ye dwuma mu hwie gold na ne gold hwie was have video no come the control papa yes
Yesika
gold a mu hwie minua awreho
Yesika
na se mutumi esisi Ghana for se emo mu nye dwuma na mo ne Ghana China for ka bom na mo tu gold no koton se wo gold no mu hwie na kama wo yembe hyew I say wow enti mi hu sa o de ma membra so crowd de meba de making so enti me ye obi amfi me
come di bi no
na me frɛ me a me panyin Peter Mewu because ono time a me ne Posafin Paul Boatin enya encounter ni na na etu se minja de me ye no osre me minja ehu hia but unim say no kwa na MB4 bi say ono na hyehyɛ masema me ne Posafin Paul Boatin enya encounter ono mom na suppress me say minja de me ye amewu na mamija e Peter Mewu and ex-president Kufuor and then me kasa asem we ex-president Kufuor framing the testing about what was going on of frame no London no framing etu me fo ansa na me jai me ne for from point what he say wo de if I must suspend and for now yes Peter Mewu and ex-president Kufuor yes what happened was Amewu say sister ka baby a ombe ye next week kanya sa kran ko baby no kasa lidi me e ma me ko hu president Akufo-Addo e ma me ka masem ne chen e ma dede onu de oya o si dede a wote ho ye nyina na nko wajai adam so honorable o de onim se me de me masem ye den enye den nemu mo si ontuma nemu wo behwe se obetuma arrangement amama ya amba so man tehwe nam so okay Someone feel me dia. Edu question time ameden. Bekoko bisa. Na town hall meeting omu twam. Omu twa town hall meeting nim.
Okay.
Ena me digi ye hu se papa no koye program bi o Princeton ene Rages e wo New Jersey ho na eti ka mi twa me ticket nim. Na ticket nim so wonim de koye je nyamba bia ye. Wo se me search ya na me nya adifori. Ade an ko se nka 600 and something no minya no 200 and something na me wo so ma no eti mi twae no na eye non refundable eti omo refund ma me enyi ti kam se ko omo de omo face kan crown to na next time chat ticket bi on de atom se da bi de mi twae de f4 a sa condition ne wom na am se ne ene bi kra me kon New Jersey no akodi vacation for 3 days. Enti ehona me hu se Rages ne Princeton ne baso. Princeton ne Friday 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. 1 hour program.
Wow.
And Rages no Saturday the next day. I don't say 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. 4 hours program. I said, and me kobi. Tikama me fly Thursday. Me normal fast na me call Ti Friday and no Princeton no mama obi ehun se me ko until 11:30 kejen na misiwo obi ehun hu ya na me bo ho na we ya Solomon Usu na te say Solomon Usu oh ye hu videos my edin me ko bo ko na bidin na me bo na me hwe de be ko so enti ho no na government official bi by say ebe ya ma me mbisa question bibi timi mfa ne bi ntuga na nka ye wie program na nka de ho bia ne aka nam se de ho bia ne aka sesen ye program a wo bia tumi bisa question na ma try say kombe ya arrangement ama mahu papa no e ma no ma bia me fi say e wo se me kama ne tibi no ma kama na te obi amfi me enti nya ha emom na oba be ka kire me sese enti no de on kotena se ti hona foforo sabae ozi ya Solomon with the government official no nso no mo seat for government official ministers ne nkofo omo so nkofo bebre bai no omo you will reserve seats bi omo so omo ma men kotena ho na am say men kotena ho say also send e be ya yinyina be tena ho na say when bisa question ni wi a na am say no me a government official me am try me ticket yeah but ring buy mo aban e mo buy na menya ga more official na fe ye be program dia obeta na me ga more official by force add me come on ya sebo ono so wo de bibie ni a amini nuanom na mse nuanom na nsem bi wo ho a enya about 10 pp a look massa wo de kokoto na se eno ko Timi Boa Nanaba, His Excellency, President Kufuor Baye, Obama speech be a Natural say, question time, no, the young baby, Sanka town meeting, Kama economic family. Because I Ghana phone and Quebec host, but where the Brunifita moderator, no, any chromosono, over Memako conferences, be symposium, one be. It is a Obiama speech, we are, more kind, Emma. Ubia then ebisa question.
Yes.
Now so much speech no ka mine in womb, speech no ka mine in womb, or can corruption near the womb, school feeding bibi or kan. 80 Papa Nika say, Sisi a question time. Internet Nanabeka 30 minutes, not questions 30 minutes. Into Ubi or question beyond pajamas, a first person Solomo Usu. Be pajamas. In pajamas, and I'm a sacra sorry can. Now they have no other option than to give me the mic. And I'm the commissioner no questions, sir. And no questions, so I'm saying, Munyama, but my sense is Subiu. Okay. You name him, say Aisha Juan, or a Chinese ni baby, Udiga Nina. Echo say, you so say, and Sasia, na ahumete. A bear topic, Emma or Mum Bomodin, Bambofo, a sonimu. Almost no than Kujina and Brenim. Nakama Yamrano. So share Mineral and Mining Act 2006. Act 703, Section 99. Eka the punishment. I was here Dema Ubia or engage in illegal mining. And as the same Mining and Mineral Act, no? Act 703, Section 89, back down in Yanano. The whole clear say small scale mining is reserved for only Ghanaian citizens.
Wow.
Yes. And minimum sem ko fo bi bra omo 80 mino omo ni ba mi siso ama omo grassroots na bebre na no omo tie nsem free politicians no a no be attack mo omo atiase yi die nti a meko santo kwa we.
Wow.
Small scale mining is for only Ghanaians.
Wow.
Large scale, Newmont, Goldfields, Golden Star, Adamus, Perseus, Akese no. And not the foreigners to me own. No, capital intensive. Enti omo ye motivate your mom dom sika be rim na create employment for the people. Me benefit it because me your mind say juma Ghana Goldfields. Enumu and I'm DC me first house Obuasi me mama tusis ya. Eye man sejuma ena medicine dan. Enti eno large scale but small scale there for only Ghanaians. Enti then na China for the Chinese woman to engage in small scale mining crown first a offense. Ena two eduma na okoye no o say yensuo ne yensase a one kata nsase ne so ensuo no so polutu no ema mekotwitwa ensuo ne biam se wo bi ohun Ghana yensuo a China for Sena ahumete.
Wow.
Enti yom koche no Attorney General ye dini gina mrani mo Attorney General Emma yeko issue nolly prosecute and discontinue the case against Ashawan. Now ye state against Ashawan. Nolly prosecute and say abanye interested in the case view. International yinjai. Na that day na omo fly to China. From court to airport to China that day na. I'm tracking na.
Wow.
And no na medeko bisa osafuma for 1 million year no year Ghana for so ni mu. Me sa ko bisa president say president Abadia me bisa no.
The same question.
Because the same question because Ghana for a pesi yan. Yan your mind ni mo enim say ante yi no ye pesi hu the reason tia omuja asha ho amane koy. Na President Kufuor, the smartest response and all the man. Because I'll try to defend it, said, yeah, Mr. Safman for tries to defend, yeah, Kabe disaster for him. I'm telling you.
Okay.
And the president say, in fact, it was a mistake. Or can't mistake, you know. Media mejitum. Na Ghana for be na echi no mo kase. Say a mistake. Attorney General no oye ne den. Say a mistake. Ghana for na ya choma ya di omagum ne de ende eno so enye mistake. Say a mistake. Aisha one sister, Aisha one de ni December 2018. July or June 2018, Helen one, Samba Kaya, or baby or Kotutwa Nwia, Rose Road, a smuggle cotton toya ya cheno. Aisha one sister. Or also sono the same tonoclade or jampu bill, or then who camera a Ghana mom coaching by. Ghana class or jampu bill cry a offense. Nina chino, ye jano, and also so at any coach China. Now, in business, I so a mistake.
Wow.
It is why if mistake first one. 6 months down the lane, was I another mistake. And then Ghana for wedding, Ebisa. And now question 1. Question 2. Come on. Asema me beken Ghana phone na will be a open information no. Obisa wa directly mame. Me share some information no. No information na Bloomberg. Bloomberg the institution they don't publish fake reports. Bloomberg 2018. Gold yes, portray across the world. Omo gadai. Omo wie no omo ba Africa. Enti Bloomberg ba Africa no. And omo hu say South Africa at the name for so long. Now 2018 the Ghana you try South Africa in terms of gold production and export. And a Bloomberg report on it say Ghana exported about 4.8 million ounces of gold 2018. Now 4.8 emu 2.8 Ghana fontie ye emu 2.8 million no Sawoka Gold Force Anglo Gold Takwa Anglo Gold Obuase Perseus Mine I am free Golden Star Bogoso ene Achampem Adamus Nzema and all Newmont Ahafune Achem Okasa large scale companies ni na boom omu gold omu produce 2.8 million ounces. And a small scale and artisanal muntien ye ane de ban atoswa from March 2017 to December 14, 2018. Near see the ban ato mining so small scale so galamsey small scale illegal mining yes say they say the ban atoso they produce 2 million ounces of gold. Odeba Sikemua about 2.6 billion United States dollars. And a million of B for ball. 2.6 billion United States dollars.
Subhanallah.
Me question am di bisa President Akufo His Excellency ni say. Sa 2.6 billion worth of gold near the ban not to so the whole 2008 na ban to so ese pese yensuo ni ensase ani ti no yensuo ni ensase no yensuo ni antia enne ne ukọ yensuo so a ayepoto no sa 2.6 billion worth of 2 million ounces no hwan mo produce ye hwan mo companies ben the produce ye individuals ben the produce ye hwan mo export ye because all export to bibia there should be records and Bloomberg and so no, they received the data from Ghana Chamber of Mines. And to me, who Bloomberg reports from say, "Kai, me a mining until I read reports near there. Say, Kai, this is no good. I don't think that data where now mines I can see almost produce gold baby na 2.8. Now small scale 2 million. How? Now Newmont go for his class and on produce. And I'm a train my phone, I'm a friend penny pa bako Chamber of Mines and Bisa no say no crack. So what? No crack. Jesus Christ. Says can find 2.6 billion worth of gold, Ya export to Abra Ghana. Yes, see the ban to so. Now why am export to sa gold? It's a question back on the Bisa President Akufo-Addo say. Countries bang no I'm say membisa Ghana phone mbisa and say why mo na export to ye countries ben no mo export to ko ye when they receive gold, they can track it. Yes, some person within the crowd, they can track it. I know, you know, can be person, me papa ne trase. Na me bisa na sansem no ko Ghana no ko investigation na mpanyimfo mo se kira o mu di o man ni nyasa no ya twe o maso me nuatie unim se o mo koje sino hydro 2 billion Mr. Osafma Beka so o mama 2 billion ya de beye kwan ya de beye hospital ya de beye we says kan kra ma de so mo san kan na say yetumi produce gold from small scale mining only 1 year 2.6 billion, which is more than the Sino-Hydro money China for the Maya. I don't know, see a China for no coin. No, but to Sikano at the core near as I could business free woman. Are we mad? Minia, and no, a dear, a mama, come. And you be moon tiasie, never be bring him, or say Solomon or Hadri. So this is Solomon also. And then into my bow for the Iswa. Make sex a no mem. I might see what TB and who said, and yes, say. Me personal interest name of money ye. Kama mini concession be our Ghana for small scale. Mini a buy mu contract be our mini hu fe. Name as a mining person. A minimum for swa betumi nya e small scale mu na create adwuma ama ye nuanu mo the rural areas enye bia ye. Na ye nya ho fa so age tax edi bi dia ya kwan edi bia ye schools edi bi even free SHS. So etumi small scale mining here. You bet me na home for so and they are sponsor the whole Ghana free. I'm telling you today, it is possible. We can do it. Why can't we do it? That is the problem. All because so I export here Korea. I buy mon penny for ne be no China for ne den a year juma boom. Na omo di gold na cotton no match is canon. Ghana for no hey fencing illegal mining yes stop. Na Ghana for ni ya mo mu nyina tifie na China for no ye dwuma na omu chase kanedi menua hwe ye ka say ya stop eyi ntinka 2 years nka enso no nka eninti say ya de illegal mining ena ma ye enso no ni ye poto ampa adan ya see ya stop na still enso no ni ye poto. Does it mean some people were working? This is simple analysis. I was a Ghana ni bi etumi ye ehun say mpanyimfo ni bi eboya bro na na magada evidence me dey come president on person mo block me no na menim say aban we mpo anje aban foforo bi beba ya the documents ni be to form na Bloomberg gold na ekoye no ya track ni ehun mpanyimfo na mo shekiri
masha Allah Solomon nyamuti onko na me de ama me hu so Solomon bro now after that question what's our call the next because you can say because question and I will go second one who shall that the second issue 1 or 2 or so I don't see the reason why questions now who said it was fantastic for questions to the president and hash we are close as saluto no your excellency we are close as saluto my penny now we are no other thing I will say a couple for now akwaye ntokwa ede de si o ye hu se video ma me mo video kitu we nchi nyabote video we beba Ghana for mu nyabote Solomon usu na ye ne no wa ko yiso ye wia Kevin Taylor me pa cho Kevin wada o senior man me so Ghana for nya o me so Kevin Taylor o hemi o team ye so wada o ma Ghana for nya wada o ma beba aha
ai matese almost say oh, okay. Mami video ni we.
Video we. Yo, one you. No, chop video no. No, wait. So, mami police, I don't say I down. There is corruption going on there, and they know I'm coming to ask questions. That's why they say they won't have it. And I was showing video yesterday. I asked them very one question. He couldn't answer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, I don't know. I look from I don't know where you show my right. And I look at it was open everybody and today.
This America. I do have the right. Yes. I do right there, right. So go ahead. Pursue. Okay. Okay. No, come down. Okay.
All right, so tell us what happened. I didn't see you.
Yo, come on, that's it.
Who tried to take it over and I went to take it. I didn't see you.
Yo, come on, that's it.
Because I had a short video in here, a clear picture.
That's it. That's it. So all videos when you know I'm a T4 so I should be. Let me start it this way. After a year Princeton University program, and a Captain Koda, a Nana security head, Obama Jose Solomon documents now also one for mommy. So Obama so president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. I can say
about more who did the attempt you are my block you because in some now work on 7 fracture. And yet Jimmy 7 work on it's making sense. Ghana ye the entity but be Obama cancer fool had the maybe how. It's making sense. I'm all for listening. Don't come and start attacking. What you Ghana? The BIA you see agony. I said no cancer question but don't come here and start insulting. Democracy nearly democratic world money one. And what question you can't come and stand here and start insulting. No, meaning tolerate some nonsense. Party. Solomon Pacho Wadawa.
yo, thank you, Kamal. Say answer na me question. I think say these are some of the things that we invite me now. Me call for say www. Emma me back.
No, say insult.
But the American say good. Yeah, the American say. Oh, say we read the book of Matthew chapter 5 and 6. What can say no money now?
Okay.
Near tiene say obiba on chenadwin. Mesre for say attend you know yena yembari no. Yembe kwa be for be move for mind forward. Say make us say today I have time. No be a questioner. On Trona Kama read mommy, I'll answer the person.
Thank you.
All right. So Kama, let me start this way. After Nanawe speech, not Captain Koda, a by some infamano. Now, a year last year, 2018, sa program ya na call UN every year be a president's Nibisha. UN invited me as guest say me can't guest and yes we invite them in nipa true name spectators are ye gusru a ye tie the presidents neka but no o apply no my background check I check you say only criminal record I check you BBA who say we will be a okowa odimu enti minya invitation ne bi ekoye na numu no me kono minim say president beba te me prepare me petition me call Ghana DC nso no emrepam no mebo mu ena me de share file musa intimiye 2 copies ti hono inside the UN building no ena me de ma na Santibedi etu na president ko na Santibedi etu so e follow ena me ye world e ko hu Santibedi etu say me wo petition bi na why executive secretary to the president on the president record ye me de ma fama papa yi na opanyin so no ma enhwem na question bi am obi am bisa me nyemfe emfa yi ntu na ye nyina ye party ba answa enwumre na msa call na hotel ya president hotel obi ma me hint no ma me call ti me call president hotel no e na me ko hu Gabia Saro chire da ko na ono so me ma ne copy eno kra me ma na me ni twa picture chire say me de ade na ye den ahye ne nsem e na ono so say obedi hu duma ma antifi bi mu inti Captain Koda ka say me fa documents we manam say documents we dey enye petition we ye documents are evidence are kofo bebre keka say oh Solomon evidence na den ebi mu kra say so obekaya me call Ghana no me call Professor Frimpong Boateng office and then consult of things e mama for kra be didi matem say me ni evidence bi alma na ma lambasti papa no let me come there quick na me ntwaso me call Ghana na me bra panyi Honorable Peter Mewu ne office enumre eno kra no wo em say who ho no mo ye program energy program eno two car ono ne driver by e ba na office me nhia no ho mi hia no se Solomon nia wo de ye papa e mani nche ho misro bibini a wo ye party ni hwa na wo ye na papa panyi de bia na wo sini so na wo interview na wo boni din misro ti Mr. Mewu kan na mse mate honorable na nkofo bibiri aka but wo de se waka mate enti me call na de ba jojo frempon boatin so ye se ne papa oda onda o se de me de ye no no wo chese wo hu bi da se young man obetumi awo me efe me ne jojo so age mate na me sopa ne sa and am say ono na aye because wa ma Charles Bisiu edintro a wantumi and defend me friend one fimi timi so I take it say ono na block me for the field work tina me ye ne sa enti from there no na jojo say anya hwe yenko timi call ya papa no me dru an o say hwan ni Solomu me cousin ba ko ne ko o say onukro ohun me da on sham do say hwan ni Solomu so na say ya honorable emia o say nti wo pa no wa me sa no wo pa no em say mama police fo achew ene nyina de yesre enti ho na obisa o ka say den pa na me de ayewa when am say honorable when Charles Bisiu din tro say wo na wo block here from after ma spending misika at the time off from work abe di 3 months wo Ghana ma say sika Accra me ni dan wa Accra hotel do do am da ye ne ade na de me beye e de aye e enya documents e de ahwe ne aboa so we no one pen no me so me fro wa me bisa no so wan fi me nti so ye mistake no se no kre na ko se ni tiu ti wo kan sa na me se ne waje atum dia e na me so me sorry e na me ko gina ne desk ho e me twa video ka chen say bibia my dia on there on fanche I mean it's past and gone and kwa mistake say Charles Bisiu e na ko create problem ni na se mbe kaya e mo no kwa say me Charles Bisiu asem free na enye we me kopa cho wie ye MVP mpanyimfo a omo e kan ye ni we solo enye hwe wabade a mo hwe na mo solve wo ma sabe gina ho with the exception of Peter Mewu and Omare Wade eye third vice chair or fourth vice chair Omare Wade apart from one more man to say one more year MP before na bisa bigina be ka say oh solo kra oni evidence did that we any evidence na papa no say ordinary be court na okopa na chew which is not true you see enti ema me hu say many MP before ni deal I have to be careful enti Captain Koda ka say me fama no and am say me ko UN me the petition koma be di etuo ani gabi endu na ho enti see captain me mbo animti o e de na je say wo de me de ma wa ebedu na ho sa evidence we so person be mo bia person de bi hye papa na kasa nsem e no no so aka say obe welcome me say me mbra na nim fa documents bia me wo na e ma me ntena me living room wo Colorado nye dede se mu nyina mu tie bia e ma wo kra koye sere kama good enti papa na je atu say me mbra ade na me fa ma wo na wo fa koma na me de uli bi me na me ko papa no ho a se biota frache ende enya na
ana onye Ghana
ana o se papa ni time am say Captain Koda se papa ni time dia ene yenjai because ono wana say membra na nim nti onim se oni time na o se membra na nim ena o se o yi waka de na ye ne ye time no oni time ne schedule na am say ne schedule captain me mfa ma wo ne emfa ma wo tena with all due respect se me ntimi amfa ma papa na be de me documents besa ko Colorado because me de ma wi ebi ana ndu no ho ebi kra na enipa de se biota frache me mbo nimti o ubetumi go to two vital information be film no adane no akoko a etutu no ho no nam ho na wo de eyi de aka akoma papa no hwe mo se na we nkwasa asem na suro mu atro e de abreme no ana se videos na me wo no me mfa ma mo na mo kam eyi mo profo doctor na ko doctor tape no na efa ko na papa no hu se evidence bi anim no me di me ame de command fili me ko bachelor no nam de bi egu pen drive so de ahye ne nsem ama o so wato ne bo ase ahwe o question bi e ho na na obi sam ne ma answer ma president ho na me my ready na buy it is all ma me the opportunity ne dia and me fama no Captain Koda hey what tell am say captain me say me fama enti ho and Eugene Ahen. Eugene on the director of communications or presidency, or not the corporate tools are a first blockage in the men come. Eugene Ahen because they see not to be. And a macho man or Chona or Chodian or Eugene, many Eugene a communicate you. That's Eugene. Now, me uncle start saying, Mr. Now Eugene. Now, more than they said, Nipa Fremo Amonfa, a testima. First, more respondi. Now, oh, solo, me who, you know, say, show phone so. Me dem me ho na ma catch and I say me be test hello. Never, who show we are. Ube information and media send you one respond. Ampa ho na oju tu mu me ye ya no we no say ampa. Na say Eugene. Enye me pese me the party ni sembe ko efe emframa mu. Na mo ma bi se mu ntie no man so say wo man ni. If he said this is the right time or say correct. And I say NDC for your mistake. Na me soro mo so meet na radio so e bashi NDC ya. And then MPP phones we mistake men come on to.
Wow.
Men come on to when my wife say mo be address the problem. Some mo nyama say mo be address the problem na yenso de yen kan ntum da. Say am target me Kevin Taylor ne Kwame E plus yen ya dane the prodigal ewo first controversial people ewo MPP. I don't care. But dear me penny say ube lidi me ube arrange na makuna no Solomon. May arrangements amakuna ampa or kan no or say after lunch no yenhwe after lunch no me friend no na omo ko New York it yes say yenhia New York anumre you 2 car 2 hours not traffic on Friday you go New York you do New York no because na pese me kun na de ade ne hye nsem ena on test address ma me enko hotel wa oso omo beye editing of next day no raggers de no speech and na come omo go through ni ade enti no and I'm so we dey wadwuma as director of communication there ube so make sure say bibia no fine then enemy njame how me say to car na go back to New Jersey 2 hours in 2 hours out munche ni
Mamentia Chatawale wala no so mamentia no chance ni ama Chatawale bechiao that's okay.
Oh the whole one so fa mentia ma Chatawale ka say Nenyum de pa ne I know my level.
Wow.
I know my level.
Chatawale.
All right. Okay.
Chatawale. Big up. Yako.
Good. Enti hono na you sell 2 car back to New Jersey.
Yeah.
So when we went to New Jersey, no, no, the next morning before President Beko Raggers University no anopano Beko kuhuno. Nam the documents no go da manfo hwie Ghana fo mpanyimfo bi ma any China for akabom area gold or mining through small scale mining no. We didn't have video in the president. They don't know how I got it, but I have them. I have the information. Enti Eugene yen sound of Pebano. That day so you could do me browse whom ya check. Till me was a western side and eastern side and mutuin. Till drew an party suicide, drop 11 parties to 3 a.m. Eja is I mean trapping to wine and my emre. Now me set alarm 7:30. And no past 7:30 crane now bonama sorry. Me fray you from 7:30 till 1 o'clock one fa. I'm saying it's around by 9 and will be hinting me say one more plan is on be block me from going to your friend is saying the Raggers.
Wow.
Event. Nipo friend me catch oh no you know me say me tete kwasasem. I'm what kind of nonsense I tante. Obi a many Eugene. Aye yi bibie wi anko se me ko hu nanan. E bia bibi na asi. E na nunti no e bi kra ne phone no kra no. Eni ne nkyɛn. Enti me tekini se on peke me call no. Eni da ho. Ye mo me call Raggers so. Say ya dey me ko hu president a anopa na Raggers so kra me nsi ho me ko pe na ho.
Okay.
Because all the documents na come no. What can as much as say na ekoso a onhu ye na me dey me catch say na ekoso as a party member former executive e America kroma na se me kan we are why say me say call Raggers say me then dey me tifie na ja imagine one bottle bi na wine me te wona me hwehwe na me dey hwe na no cry better than say ma kwot na event na say
okay
Massa, with all this, Eugene, I'm picking Maynam who said no. Maybe there's something wrong somewhere. Maybe the people don't want me to show another evidence. Ama and Pennyphobi who are coaching or more Ghana. Into yes, sir. So you took her. Your courageous. 1 mile before the campus, no security vantage point security, US police. Hey, what's going on? Because in campus events there, in police in here is
wow.
And I know an president Wabema speeches for school US Bibriba. Into why? Because Princeton, the Friday in the crowd, not security, you could even count few of them on Nam Hall and word ye. Not light shrimp. Wow. And you call you drew campus war police here, police here, police here. Hey, as if say will be batu bombo. I'm say, sir. Meko. Once I mean ye bonnie. Once how many criminal records bia kruma question kakanama ko bisa de minsu bia e wa America kruma
wow wow
enti ma me suspect say say the guy no frame me catch them no no kre o say be kra ma me nko na say me kwabena usu meko
wow
na de nipa hu obi ni meko enti me brother na dwen ni say nka o si me o say me fly into one na de me year round so o si me o say in some Ghana and some he crying to one the own see okra ti usimia na danfo bi ye birthday party or area hona no akoshe won tinka mi wi an my friend no asa be family to who police na dey say Solomon no wo minimu one way a ukona o moye bia we a no mo de be face so enti birthday no kra no mi nyanko yanko na o park kicker e na enyina e koy ye rap building nim no police here hey and I'm pay big ha.
Wow.
See me drew entrance. Now entrance is near to first entrance. You drew no more go Ghana for macho men do almost so mobile.
Wow.
Now one guy about me ho. Oh gentleman, I see share that. Mention one thing about me. Come out, me menye ubia me send pem you know me. We are kwalao, we are penyo. Me hu ubia see nyina nipa. Tinya fe na be me yem say o minimu no. I say oh yeah, e be a share that me de kofo ebre ni minimu. Anyway, your friend Solomon Usu. Me boss Solomon Usu and say hey, the man is here.
Hey!
Oi, come on. Hey, the man is here. And I'm say Aden. No be a chanani.
Wow.
Aden.
Na say one thing na security na tight to us an.
I tell you no lie. Eh? Solomon Usu. Oh, it Okasa the man is here, no. Some besides I don't know so well. Order from above. HSS, you shouldn't enter the event.
Hey!
And I'm saying, and no into my cost for police for we abegu asano. E dey na ham. E dey pa na ham mo Ghana phone. Na say I shouldn't enter event a. Munipa ya ono na e coordinate no me Eugene ahe. Eno ya na me no e kasai. O me number. Asenso boache wo me number. Kofo we wo me number. Ada na mo frem to Solomon Usu member.
My
Na
bisa. Video, sa video ni bio.
Okay.
I will record this fucking guy. No, video no.
No, far black le kuta me no. And na documents ni nyina wo.
There is corruption going on there, and they know I'm trying to ask questions. That's why they say they will not be answered. And I was showing video yesterday. I asked a very good question. He couldn't answer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, I don't know. How do you look from Colorado? I don't know. I'm going to show you my right. Colorado, right? And I can look at it because it was open to everybody and transportation.
I
Today.
Eugene Network, Director of Communication Network. They cost you na on that one. On the leader of SAG normal Eugene.
So, go ahead. United States. Okay.
Sure.
No, calm down. Okay.
You saw, say, the police guys normally are very polite,
Now,
very
who
nice.
not
Very...
who the two of second crowd? How far president?
Well, it's your dear David. Now, who call events say, who the two pay there?
Now, and the question of who's our president, you know. And you know, say, oh, I don't get it.
Exactly. Because someone him say, now, the end say, a night before, no, but the two platforms to say, Friday night, a galamsey question. Now, I can 9 questions. 9, no. Meaning say, your mammy be selling at least me try say maybe some 2. First one, your men's good. 2, corruption. Into education and security near the end of the ananka mekan. In terms of who's a men's good so no, say me koto, who's a me question me 2 or so dwene wo na no answer because me ma hu de me beka. It say men's good is a very critical issue e Ghana. Say one answer ye say kim e be trigger normal Ghana.
Wow.
I'm telling you, yes. It now also I'm blocking mama and na omunim question I make akobisa.
Na question no betima abusa yo ha.
David. Now what be that? One will be all kwa oyi na kundi egu abonten. Mimbisa na president Akufo-Addo ntina next time me kwa kubisa na wenya answer no right away. David. The person so person will be first we as person will be kind of cry. Me ma ne hu question no. Ubisa no ho na o kan obehu no kure wu. Entina guy Aisha wan de no o kan mu no kure say a mistake no.
Wow.
Because uni answer be adam to say a mistake. I'm telling you. Inti sanity.
That's what I'm
And now
they say no.
can be back mame friend ho nsi. Inti guy no kan na me ye no. And I'm who say and first entrance na government officials ne omo organize the program. Ye na ye bus guest ne de ye be fa each second entrance. To one brother so ye nja omo na yenko. Tiako no ye fast everywhere inside. No be so sure say this is the man. And okofre Eugene.
Wow.
Eba entina first mimi draw for na ka Eugene na wan ka make can be actually no na. Ke bi kran ka video we kran ban ka me deal with Eugene right away. Na bia e first masana mechi. Ba no no ni ho tibi ye say o mo de o mo enwum bi no mo to mo fanto nchen. Enti ye kon na guy ne sa buy oh masa say bia e cool there anyway ya ye drew second gate one na macho man no bo akwa bi na o se atade you know
osu say dey osu apa
timba pa timba ete me draw on no say na guy ne catch macho man say yes this guy yes osu pa timba pa yes ete ya me hu kama me hu ete ono na guy no e catch ne say this is Solomon Usu no so oh okay Osimasa order from above says you are not entering. And I say order from above no and when the man or send their own twinka. The only man say I say a mama enter. And I'm so waiting can the reason tia a mama enter. So what can I say a tangible reason? Why not? I'll just go back and then go find something different to do. Also only there only explanation be all the mama. And I say, no, nim say me kuta me ticket or say me to be the enter. Me buku ticket no online. And sana me try me plane ticket. I fly 4 hours about. Or say any no okay. On the end, you say mama room. And I'm say, look, I wanna me start to say me boil it. And I'm say, look, sa mun say mhunu na mo de take an order from above from Nkrumah democracy never. Give me the reasons. You can't just say oh mama room. Chesemako be president question. Emma or con and sama akofa asema brand ntino. Mo mama nwrem bi. Na na be solve problem. The be solve problem ne say. Mo be mama ehu papa no. Na me documents na ono aka say me informa no. Me dia say nsem. Na wo hwe bi, wo hu omo nka no kren fanche. Look, mo na Moses here. Party no position na mo na mo yedwuma nya o. Me mete America ha no, me nte Ghana o. Sabit kakra meye medidi edi bia hwe me ma Edibi ahwe me maame abrewa otifie ato duro ama no abrewa owo no 70s matoto ni nro e de man man ho ato no minya o MPP opa wo NDC opa wo Solomon Usu I'm still Solomon Usu enti mo ade na meye no mo na be benefit no because say to me ye na hu no kure wom no crack hip na no kure be dedi e ma na ban na koso na de mo ye no mo na mo ma papa no nya yi oh mfi me kura na me say what do you mean o ga say nipa enkwala twu fa kwasa se twu eti o ga na ade no be bi e ba no me de o say obo se tek nkwala so de enzo no those times no na feta kashini tem me start sa attitude no gidi no ya no de no mo frɛ police na o se na police for no o ma tadin ehwe e no mo frɛ o se no o so mo bam na police for no bam to on bam no so we do o mo srɛ me o mo mba no ayi na mum ebe ya akonwa bi si sa akonwa na e wo kiro na o mo de me court na so no esi kiro minim so no ma prepare si order do say si order da o mo sa akonwa bi si o nche ebe ya yen court na so me court na so na minya botre no mo hwe problem no mo address it. So what I'm saying, no, I have to deal with these guys because any fair, send me try me ticket, and I'm so musa yanko. Tia so musa yanko na brother so de yanko. Ya kona na say charging me, kamisa ko back. Into one another police, criminal. And will be capture sa pichala or moda ye be no ya. It's omo ya na ya kotna kumyan so they were very calm, they were very nice. Oh no, kakaya anti hono. Come on, first my fancy wa e hono. And I may almost say, dear me and the right once I move ticket here, cause me room, no more almost slam on peace into a moon hour. Into almost slam say, a beya, made a minja bibia, na beya menko. And I'm saying, well, me going inside to listen to President M. Fabian and to me table so. Going inside to listen to President and our documents and the man no. A Ghana na may fight ya more minus and a bear corrosion air cosono, our mining mono. Look, say na ebi me medical doctors, ebi me pharmacists, ebi me civil engineers. Sen Katania me ma take mining na me hit you more hard no. Sen Kobia take every sector hit ya. Katin sen they will be on their toes ama o mine no akoso. It me fight more mine and ya me meeti. And I'm see me problem listen. And I'm say me problem ni say enye Ghana ban and organize the program way. A school na organize the program no and no ma frɛ Ghana president so be my speech school no na bika sa ticket no me order ticket from wo enya Ghana ban nti omo country school no say emra say me twa me ticket ba na mo ma me nwure mu a omo kan kyerɛ me two say school no omo ma me nwure mu a me ni problem na mo omo ntwa me plane ticket am different Colorado buy omo ntwa me expenses nyina ma me na me nko na omo so kene me ntrase ti somebody a police for ne koy ena Ghana for mpanyimfo bi o Mr. Tabuama ebe tina me nchen ye kasa no kran koye kran mambofu but no say me dey respect ema no ya ena police for Saba and say they are very sorry to tell me say still almost say komo usu pass so mo usu be wure mu de na mum ena me say denti to mo ya me sorry free akonya so ena me say denti ena mo say Ghana for amutie me muntie ni and then until I'm spending me whole time. Say me chire no memu. Say 5 hours from the be chire mu. Almost say according to police if one say they think my presence there would be unsafe for them. And I'm saying what? Unsafe? How?
Wow.
Me take room way. Me a professional. Me nye say bi omo mo number sabasa no a mo ye no mabone no. Me take room way. Mini criminal record biya police station crime me see one quite report to ubi answer report to me e ma me police da me ti krom hai me ntoto bombo ha me nya akai da ni
O question mu odu
enti eye den e na me na say eye unsafe for them say me ko bisa question president e bia obeyi ano a ano no ento Ghana for so mu ana say sa de omo kan kire me na de omo ye de okay so omo pa omo search me say me weapon bia
may I heard the entire unsafe for them question okobusa president no yen hwe unsafe yanko NTO
issues about the procedure to discontinue the case stations both in China without any prosecution. Now, Chinese Chinese are arrested and they are put to jail. But we have the law that anybody engaging in illegal mining should be jailed at least 3 years. That was Mineral and Mining Act 2008, Act 703, Section 99. And you are giving immediately 20 to 25 years. Now, why is it that you didn't prosecute and jail Aisha Mohammed? Two, Your Excellency. Why is it that after the declaration of the 20 to 25 years on August 20th, I have a document that shows that more than 20 Chinese guys have been arrested in the Ministerial Committee office. When are you going to prosecute them, jail them to serve as deterrent to others? Two, Bloomberg report, 2008 report, shows that over 2 million ounces of gold was exported outside the country based on the data generated from the Chamber of Mines. That they were all from small scale mining operations. But from March 2017, to December 14, 2018, small scale operations were banned in Ghana. Where did we get that gold? Who produced that small scale mining gold? And who were behind the Chinese guys who were mining illegally in the country? I have a lot of documents here to show you. If you can have some time with me, I will show you a lot of documents. So there are some of your government authorities are involved in illegal mining activities. I have videos, I have documents, I have pictures that I will show you today if you have time to share with me. I have 10 questions and I've asked one about the time. If you give me time, I'll
But why would they stop him from, entering the next event? Why?
And I make us say, almost me. My presence there, no, and we are unsafe. Now, be some say unsafe. Some question. Me could be some president in a unsafe. I
don't see anything wrong with him.
Yep. Papa in one side. Ghana for no moon say answer no the my no. Any answer etwasum say ubia beye sa e wudi same way or Ghana. Na muja ni so onko na mu moche Ghana for anam de omatum. Check come out. Can you imagine say they na maybe some question na kasa no omokoche China for illegal mining. Abra president August 20th 2019 August 20th or they Iba say Emrano ya say China ni ebe man 20 to 25 years meboa. Ni nyina echi omumbu president omumbu oman no they disrespect Ghanaians sounds illegal mining. How? Na some of us yet one ehwe. Come on, yet one ehwe. Ubetuna ko China ko esa de no. China nipa gum ya take the Ghana for prison. I have a lot of guys in China. That's a Ghana for prison. I don't know China for the Echuomo Ghana ni eja. For what reason? Abra China ambassador Kraba Bontia Beka say illegal mine no mo yende China ban ensabi anim e individuals na ye instead then the Echuomo ni eja. These are some of the things also Ghanaians you to me storage na. Say me could be a question ti. Nanti President Akufo-Addo me question is say into why we pa say Nenko for ne block me. I'm a man could to me uncle inside ana. To say no cry. Let's just say or someone who say a democratic leader na. And non tonchen. Say no cry social media ne dia koso Ghana news ni ade nyinanti on TV. Menua edum pempenso bia. E say Ghana ma ye sorry. Ye sorry waka. Now you to me bisa questions. Enya tem didie. They said them quiet now. You be some questions. Tia to two questions ni more. Answers na beba no. Ni afem mo ban him say. So man ni koyi se nkoyi o. E nyina se. Me yam pipini. Na mum ade na nya. Enye se me yam pipini nti. Se yam pipi apenso ende ye 1+1 obi enim say you 2. John Mahama, President Mahama a pencil, His Excellency ex-President Mahama pencil there 1+1 you 2 you can. President Akufo-Addo by the 1+1 you changing any 3. What be that? No, we need to make sure say aban no aye de wo say so obeye corruption everywhere illegal mining mo say yensuo ni at still yensuo ni apoto hwan mo na eda so ye adwuma mo je figa na phone say na ma China phone na mo chase Canada why ye concern na if you know understand na me that's my fight me no be any problem e your mind who don't it said the maka no me nkoje contract bi me say oh me compare obi kura say me compare appointment na nya appointment wo hi MBB was if for do mu CV e kwa purpose me my family me say me ready it's appointment wo hi why do you need to be in government before you can make some change? Come on, we are not kids. Come on, my boka. Ne ka ma bono. Small scale ya ma membra o umbisa me, but ma memfra no ntwam. Small scale ya semu yi. Time I opposition. Campaign time. Na man for ikaso President Akufo-Addo oba betwa galamsey nim. Ama some of us you reach now. Come on, you name me said those times who's to show people call from UK, Germany, Spain, everywhere. A contribute to be deny a fight say President Akufo-Addo small scale no obeyen ye. I'm a wante a mama yejuma ensenso sensase. I'm obi sorry or call juma to say the oko juma go fools or call you say that's your last skill. Amun senso sensase and a small scale the into ye. Me convince a man for me ye campaign na anadwumenda na me frɛ small scale miners na me test omo na picture me na Akufo-Addo wo no na me de send omo say amude se munim me ya na ye meeting ya church no mo be ya small scale be koso bi ewie so mbe ha 2012 2013 President Mahama and President Mills yes on be crack down illegal mining and no mo de legislative instrument to 2012 mining law be by about for bebre almost President Mahama anya hwe or try senka or stop galamsey na ka waye ni yi anya yi enti eno kra no sa operation Vanguard o mo de koi enu Safuseni honorable enu Safuseni former minister of lands and natural resources samba kaya or the soldier for kotata galamsey for samba kaya 2013 Ghana for refi o mo try anya yi enye military na dey solve galamsey problem no they need some technical input. And until former Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Peter Mewu me three phone Efre Papa no. Or no nim no nshameda but no nim watemenka so mo also fire. I mean fire Pata Mewu position. And I near MPP US executives and MPP Ghana executive platform. Na me to be also they know me. Eti time on the pan net to so no. So depend to both licensed small scale miners any illegal miners from galamsey the two ni so I'm friend cast honorable unim say quarry ya itu mboba any anwea edisi a small scale mining oko ye mre minerals commission oko mineral mining act ni mu a it is classified as small scale mining quarry enti what say enti say saban na wo de ato mama koji license o mu yedwuma wa ban ne o mu are na quarry for de o ban na o mu na Ghana afede ye sidan o Ghana so wo de license ban ne to quarry for so that be say e ma ye sidan o Ghana bi mu ana enti say quarry is small scale mining na why should they work no mama o ma koji o mu license de o mu tifi wow okay and also they want to sanitize the system. Oma sense when inside am say no correct. He said then am oye because ban am dey ato some who say omo license no based on license omo wa approve omo license nti omo kwaji loans e dey be high excavators e be to excavators e be to dozers e be kwaji loans akese omo dey see mo dey ban ato so no one on betin fi omo nyedwuma e ka beba ohia beba mining areas no enti momia hwe kwa be fa so a yede mbre bi besisi ho a ne apɛ monitoring system a ebe monitor mo be yedwuma ensensu se de me ko Colorado ha ada hospital ko twa nsu a na da ho a ense ya na manfo eye man no pepepe so was a video na boma etie for nsu ntie
me ni no ha me ni sa video no
na ko so kanam de ma e wo me phone yi so
Yeah.
but nkofo bebre hu
Yeah.
ye mu ye mining abra insunsun says same we am de ma enu bi na nka pese ye de ko Ghana no na create jobs for the people me kana me wu say so now what's the way for and I'm say I know mining gurus Ghana for or ye mining professors, mining doctors, mining consultants, executives inte meka ebiabo
Video ni.
come page credit or come page watch room na for yen to us Won so na emboba nyina egu ase wo meboa
obi kura ne gyina hɔ a oyi fish ɛwɔ nsuo no no sɛ ɔmbɛhwɛ a ɔto fish ɛwɔ ɛna baabi a metwe ɛnyɛ sɛ metwa no wɔ baabi a sɛbio yɛnyɛ mines mohwɛ soro hɔ a mobɛhu mame nso mu na mohu gold mine small scale gold mine ɛnie small scale gold mining company ɛna ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo yɛ adwuma small scale gold mining company ɛna ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔmo yɛ adwuma no na yɛkyɛ ne sɛ ɔmo yɛ adwuma abra a ɔmo nsɛ nsuo wei nsuo no a megyina ho yi mines ne nie ɔmo ntumi nsɛe no ebi sɛ ɔmo de mmara hyehyɛ agu akwan mu ntumi nsɛ nsuo no a ɔmo nsuo no etumi bɛbɔ wei no ɛno bi ɛna mewɔ America ha a mɔbɛhu a ɛno nti meka mpanyinfoɔ bɔ mu sɛ kayɛmfa saa nimdeɛ ne nkɔ Ghana ɛnkɔ boa ban interministerial committee foɔ sɛ ɔmo ɛnɛ bɔhu yɛ nsuo sɛ nsuo yɛ da wei ɛte sɛ ɔda ɛyɛ Kumasi Obuasi road ɛte sɛ Bonsa Takwa road ɛte sɛ Ankobra Christian nsuo yɛ da hɔ no ɛte sɛ Ɔfe Dunkwa Obuasi road ɛte sɛ Brim Eastern region nsuo no bi nie mines nsuo wɔ hɔ ntaaka na yɛde yɛntumi nyɛ bi yɛne a yɛtu kwan aba bɛsua deɛ yɛabɛhu yɛkɔ so yɛde bɛboa a ɔmo gyina hɔ sɛ ɔmo mpene na afei yɛtoto ne din ɛnɛ ɛyɛ September 17 Tuesday September 17 2019 Friday September 20th na ekufo aro ebo no Jesu with the video wey kyerɛ no ho me ko bisa no questions na my video wey so am na who say ade no mo Ghana na ɔmo ntumi na yɛ ka ɔmo fi sɛ ɔmo kɔ ne nim bibia no enie ɔdansefo sɛ ɔtofo sɛ me dan sefo wa brochi we no abrochi America Colorado enie
Wow.
Ghana for me ko man sini ɛna ɔmo akodi nkɔmɔ enti yɛduru nso a metwa another video ama obi ehu bi sɛ ɛnyɛ ebosirem keka ɛna me kana mo bi ɛde ɛnya bɛhu ne yɛsua ɛna pɛ sɛ yɛde bi kɔ wɔ man no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a small scale mine no bɛyɛ adwuma ama yɛn babu no ayɛ ama ɔmanya bi ahyɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo ba na ɛbɛnam so ɛnsɛn nsuo nsɛn sase China fo abɛgye ne nyinaa bi sisi ano ɛna Ghana yɛ nsuo nyinaa sɛn again fidie ne Solomon Osu kase free Colorado Springs ahayɛ Idaho Springs Colorado nsuo a megyina ano ɛyɛ
Wonderful. You are doing a good job. God bless you. Sure. But I believe say never give up. Your way no man give up. Keep going.
Yeah,
as a leader, as a leader, you face challenges on your way going up. Some people will disagree with you, others will agree with you. That's the life. But me personally, most say you are doing a good job. And you some brave souls with more Ghana. There's nothing wrong with that. When you're born, did you be at them? Be uncle, but open say a year and a day and 2 years. Your way, cause you mapa. Ghana for do one tawuti. Either say or your MPP and also NDC. It's not about your politics. How we MPP? When you what the MPP, me who was since 2000 and we are check and I mean we share London. And I know normal way and I said a Kodia or MPP political party. And you will be over target will be one of those things. But keep doing you and trust me. Ghana for in a baby who my power way because the question I don't see the reason why. Yeah, my own Kobusa the question. I don't see the reason. And what you take it so. You paid for it. So why would they stop you from say question? it's only fair say a fair amount because you can also become the president of Ghana in the near future. But my be president. Nana Akufo-Addo no need to be president. John Dramani Mahama no need to be president. And as a great leader, keep doing what you are doing. And yes, you are in Pabo better with you. And the young man to come more and quickly. But Kevin Taylor, also Kevin Taylor and Pacho accept your invitation. Never say no baha. Na ya betu komo. Ehiao na yes.
Is there Ode Kevin Taylor so ba better say MPP Akaida for now who na person interview.
Ade e koso yesu edwuma ne say.
Ete we are na say first A+ na ene we are no wa ko interview A+ for kan.
Na ni bu say o na Ghana pro dia obetuma ko Ghana obekọ Ghana ana wa ka America.
Oh, how? Make America saying. That's every winning say every year be a make Ghana. Every year. Me say me free Ghana by April, yeah. And she said me need plans, my very tight.
Okay.
Into me plan but maybe to me planning within a week now if my kwaba.
You are not scared of anything.
Not scared of who? Ade makoku mobi. Ana say makotumra. Ukubisa question na eno eyemra watu. Who should I fear? Means Robia. No, means Robia. Because I may call Ghana, I'll just go and come. And they forget. Yeah, means Robia.
Nice one. Nice one. Me say wakasa ama etiefo ma so obi ani ajewa. Obi afili. Ana mpanyifo se kasatentin emaduabo. Me say scan of what say here obi mu a yes abeto yes afro na me pese o ma o final na Ghana for you na me ba cho ka che Kevin Taylor say or a hot cake na me nyana papa me nyano me pese ele no twetwe nkomo Owura Kennedy Japan me me ofa no Owura Kennedy die me mfani ni agwo kra me hu se one Owura Kennedy to no man feel because me feel Kennedy me feel the spirit no, to be honest. Tell the enemy Tomwa, Kuma Kennedy, and I was with two as some qua Kennedy Japan, some woman, T. Mifilino, on a nature. It moves over the corner to our bono. Who said you were to ball? Was so best school fees near the day. I want to tell you, pick up on now.
Is it come on? Oh, the no,
only me Filino, me now, me Philip Papa. But Kevin Taylor so me hiano say my memo Owura Kennedy some of kaka krafa why you was you kakra
Bible say na okwasia e legitimacy amana minister we nyasa yes and he said baby a obi dia oba no abedi di obi atem okodi professor confirm what any chance this will come because what was our PhD. What you hear, Charles also Ghana say this any from watching and one won't your school fees.
Wow, look.
What you say? Announce the name because also I am minor. And you say, I'm saying, no, and I'm saying, because some people know about saying, and then we'll share a big part because and then unless I suppose you get it. Now, who said was sending me picture? What did he try a picture? One of the functions. Oh, sorry, I know DMPP at them. I know the term security and more airport. No, because I'm the new Tantai.
Now our congressman, now no I see, and also of Farono. Come on.
But you got left to say something about the video. And just almost was a G for what I bet you. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Someone can just 14. Don't stop it.
Ofa two ofa fu na sebio ofa de onanka etu nkwalafo na ofa wo de bia okotena na odi obi atem ensem anim mekofsro school fees wa kama
hu me no babies with sharp teeth we babies with sharp teeth
me say kama me was 41 years old.
Now
41 years old. Me ba 12 years old. Me a family man. Till the American year.
Okay.
Say okotena radio so. Now the won him say Solomo Usu a family man to say wo. Do one you see me. Now ko di matem didi mebusuanfo atem all because me no nya adwen. Say ana Scottish Charles Bisiu me wo fast bebre o a Charles Bisiu na ya chino no. Who say a special prosecutor say offense assembly unjem. Because in normal Charles Bisiu aye no. Me to be come asem o. Special prosecutor na de beba. Enti say wo now ni say odi matem nyina wie ya fe say ne see odi matem first one come be reply na empanyufo be mu mka chance wonya lucky sometimes na me lent roman for so lent time there yan to bob as I said there mu ye tiri a obi tia na so kula na kama why dey no the same thing eti ye na ose yi broni pepa ne fie o ni je wan ewo enti me ye party bi Timiwe party na me so me call hi broni ba na obe pa bi fi ena bi twa video that me dey send them no say be to social media ena no ka say me the broni ba abe pa mi fi be say be challenge no ena no di matem di me fi mabusi afo yira tem
no for person fu
ora be ba ena wo fa me reply they said the oye no so anhwe ya e jam de ba no so no sa ko di matem bi o UK and I'm saying you some je me ye odu bi command kama so odu no say me de send wa one we are urebe ho me super papa no rough
oh Debbie
me look say wo be di matem a do the di matem me mfa me ho na wo be di me maame abrewa sebio onam ni 70s a oto di ne ba bi edwen ono those time MPP no oboase ye de MPP no ko oboase no mo ne ma o mo so mo MPP o oboase o na ko di me maame atem edi mebusuafo nyina atem for what reason because asemo nye wudi echire me ka na onim say ni nyina wie ya okọ parliamentary fo bi su di na atem no osakot na radio so say ai asem na ya na mo amapusi me say me konko defend me boa ona asako gu na nimu hospital say MBB fo na pushi no enti na atem didi odidi me say me ne nya adwen no na nyansa wo so ayo ofade a na me fa fidie so na me fa nto onim say wo fa kan Japan say ya de a wo be interview say de we interview me ama wa be clear ne ho a onja atem didi no emwa no enya atem didi
nkola mo ba mo ha agene lolo
come on don't refer me to as akwala don't refer me as akwala
so what dey me wo fa at to age one so we akwala
ono time o 41 years no na oye parliamentarian no be friend akwala nti sa na ono na dwen kire no but me ka tro say oh obetimi ayi me wo fa why not can be betimi ayi me wo fa say ayi me wo fa say dey wo so wo fa na come ne betena ase aka say dey oye no ogu manimu ase fe Kevin Taylor say Madam Becky UK Germany Becky minimum no na share Ghana me interview no radio star MPP Germany ejatomu me interview no ena obey madam for ma Ghana ne share that very nice woman time Kevin Taylor this ne first something billion yibi bai ena Germany for be friend me say omunim say me wo ha na men kanta Kevin Taylor no Kevin is my man. And what I'll do is I would rather call Becky. I'm not going to say, sir, Mamma, Mamma, very or a business consultant. Me cry no per se ye business be the investors but na many time. Yeah, Becky, friend, make me the number man, friend now boom. eti time yes and I'm say na ma me frɛ ma me ti me frɛ ma me no and I'm bisa say bibi say no mate into also can side of the story and ma me kra me frɛ Kevin say na ma me nso wedding e kan iti yanhwe na yehu kwan be fa so because also ono so de also on documents into na kwa twema me twena mse de me janja asem ne kra no be Kevin na ono no or other stories are all kan wasem iti eno kra no na ase amanfo focus on other things kra ye be wan say Canadian wofa okukuseku ono de why say efe aboa petero na taba bob say pai na confusion also ko too far ko Germany or abronye ko jino ko di Kevin Taylor ne maame ne papa ne maame ya shawo ni ne papa to apetashi I mean look at all this now imagine say susuampa say wo ko akoya damage control wo Germany a atemdidi no okodidi Kevin Taylor that's a problem for documents no antibeki wo Madam Becky, the documents no ko Germany documents am kutani o enye say na tie ABCD normal bomons mama uwie bi kwa baka say e mo mu ntie de Kevin e kan no e bosim keka period na won konko gina onko di obi atem ensanti ni papa ohini mu a cry after that so cry sa ko din papa tem say ne ntuma fi omra na to ntuma ma no na ohini kwase ampanyi I mean congressman come on me no yeti abrochiro uti UK meti America maba ukrom da wo omba me krom da US omba da me maba UK da unua ati palago so owem say New Jersey area obi obey your boss is here anyway so come on abrochire de utna abrochira when yesi kampa se bi usua nyansa kakra congressman congressman bienu a wo America ha sebio tafrache obetina no edidi nkofo atem say yebe mo resign that day na wo Canada Japan no what in America hada what na no jesi na otwitasi o start na otwitasi ma memamu efe ni history kakra amanfo nim o sori adede no oye e kwan of aso nyes kan obi abetumi afaso anya say scan o na enye obi a na pesa kwan no Bible say ye wo ade nyina ho kwan nanso enye ni nyina na eden e fataye hwe kere Japan na wo se o scanty okeka nsemfo kire obi ayi look Kennedy oko Germany from Germany no oba no ka obeko school oko community college me won information nyina community college no when we to a school dropout one call university community college or your school dropout from there no go treat taxi or your clinic account no go treat taxi ni mu no and the girlfriend be no Ghana embassy eye first US embassy or Ghana near friend Eugenia Kobana say Kennedy pa o mitro challenge say ombrambe defend no sas mama kan meboa Eugenia Kobana no eduma Ghana US embassy or Ghana enti ono ena no ye visa connection e de makele Japan ma odi nkofo eba US munchen hie tifo munchen hie enti eno ena Kennedy start ye kakra o say sa visa in suskawo enti Ghana no ne ye one no matu your friend Eugenia Kobana monfa video we nkoma Kennedy Japan say mesoro mo su na America no opa o me challenge me enti visa connection ni mu na ena yenim de ye ebi mu se ende me ntumi nka ekwan foforo bi so ebebo mu ena pa odinya ne ho tam baako ena start say scanner here then e no so you business minded and you can't take it from him tisikana onya na dey start business sa ne girlfriend kwa waja no ono no mba mienu omu yi ma me na di ne girl no US embassy for hu akire na di but not a contractor but that time you no officer and all the by US ene oye adwuma New Jersey Newark airport your friend Eugenia Kobana Canada Japan pa on be challenge me e kwa be no ofa so nya ne sika FBI for him me se me kan video so ma otie fo nyina hu osori ano didi obi atem se obi ma me to apetashi obi wo taxi driver okroma taxi driver be na ebenye sika tam te se de wonya no eno nto nchen wo so ma me na otonade o table so enti obi do atema onkodi umame atem. Come on, so for no na bunya sagu ni tirim nkwasa asem na otiga na odi no.
Abote. Now odi they say USC. Now a final statement I ma Ghana for because I can't bear 20 minutes now the other cut. You say 1 or 2 callers be about so about after that now you see
my member no
2 hours maybe minute which
yes and then me prepare say me can on no question bia that one must spend that time.
For invitation ma Kevin Taylor man me
don't worry me never better. Oh no one thing about Kevin I mean him say on peps are public interviews na one pep. All the time a man for be echo attack you on if you kra me na man for frame mba me e kasa no on kasa but me never kasa then I'll let you know say basa obeba be clear
Ghana for so who say ye ne twetwe komo kakra na
ba kanere Japan de ka che no so ofa no na o ja kwasa asem na odi o Ghana no obi ansuro no ye ti America odi akura FBI na Kevin Taylor akọ report no ye be hwehwe ni nsem ye kwa ofa so nya no sika ni so ye
Canada Japan ti na ko Ghana ya na Ghana ya ko yi Canada
David me call me trip me call business trip but we about say can be soon
ne Colorado be wa kra maba ni tu na Canada Japan say me ti America ye na so la me say o say me baham be positive feasibility because of pon work any chabisi wo me nya na me attack you enti obekwa kotreme be bia me be yes ade ni nya onkopu so sigan obi antumi nya nhwe obi asu me nyo obi awo but I will discipline Canada Japan in this country because you video me here Colorado say I swear I'll come to Ghana because of Canada Japan when my back because of on business trip. But I will discipline all Ghanaians who hear from me. I will discipline Canada Japan in this country. Solomon more chances Solomon Ghana be real so video when they send their command direct. I'm a net TV. Some was the assembly of Cotton Radio so little to have a capam. Was the assembly of a capam. Who be prove that country. Please tell me and animal senior. Like secondary upon us of I'm not saying. Maybe I was here on the Kuame. I met your lens was the one line up. Oh, so known as Sellers. That's my back on Babukume. I may cut say or known as Sellers will say. Maybe I'm in 300 meters circle. Will be a put away from Banson, me before our it make sure that when you send out what is our more idea to just carry a seven from because we are you guys send me call I'm ready say that's what we call and I said me call into no so baba me need to but I'm protecting myself we move back wow so ya be man tutu na fabra I'll face you what's ya say papa mo ga say e be ka fe Ghana na ya mo kwa mo dia Ghana na no bi ade o ya jabuti ya the $1 papa e cheta was ya sema papa Canada mo ka chero you prove so see emra to prove her make sense emra no nobody is above the law Ghana ni I will show him where power lies Canada mo ka chero so so mo usu aba you want crisis here on fan for emra I'll pay was ya sema papa asa dum phone
hey man why is
well say ade we are making yakama before I'm back Ghana kra no me lawyers e de we ni nyina ba me prepare bibia o come I class ye court akọ filing kwa panyifo be mu a na me jae
wow
and I'm buy yes ka baby a me cost school fees no obe prove o se me meti America me yalla so lala me say o se me nyadwuma papa bia Kevin Taylor so nyadwuma papa bia se obi o wa brochire bia obeka asem a enye MPP de bia no onye dwuma papa ono kwa na yedwuma papa ebetene komo yedwuma papa you see say eyo ofa no a medisi ene ne nkasa first na me kama wonim de we na be declare Japan echi o fire na me dinachi kano ene me hu se nsam bebro ka entro because nsam o ka fa me ho na me hu se ai ena de we obeka no not say o information bi e kire say Solomon also cost school fees. You see? So these are some of the things. What for because many Pablos are meeting way. odi matem me the chain just that last minute me so me blast no and they me the sending direct and o kan no tum so onim no sa the sad ye ne ba odi obo hu asem ebesi nobody has monopoly over resource. Nobody. Just that some of us the media bedu no and you try say you be quiet kakra but all the sound kwasa assembly ba ye di be shaw.
Thank you.
Martin
Nyamisha pa me da say solo me da say me nua mafrɛ enye obi a na ofrɛ na obeba but say yetima frɛ wa Ghana for person omoti woni a wotimi aba ne ya spend time sa na yepe watchna mo na mo ye the future leaders a mo betimi de Ghana so akonka nti ye frɛ mo say ya mo mra nti ka check in ntila say ono so ye to yensa frɛ na omra because Ghana for na say ye to yensa enfrɛ no A plus so ye to yensa frɛ na ono so omra edwuma die na yi na ye di no nyame onhyia no onye wakoma so apede ma me da wase pa say wotimi abesemre more than 2 hours oni e bi nkomo and no che say we are a very good leader because leadership enye say ubeshiku the time but enkrofo na ye beboa mo amamokoso say du ba bia yeso ye to yensa frɛ mo a esem ma yetimo nyame nhyia osulumo me da se
come on nyame nhyia so oto nsa frɛ me ma matumi akyerɛkyerɛ no mam edi ama woti forma obi wo mpo a oba no na wasom na no a sisa na no bedwo na wo hu se no crazy ene wo tim meda mu nyina ase nyame nka mu nyina bye bye all right bye bye yeah
Solomon usu ena yere na twetwe nkomo na me se nkomo no odi nkomo bebre se Ghana fo nyina obia ahu anase mo ate de ekoso ewo US of A mo obia ate ase ye nyina na yetie mi wia na me so mba bepe because mi wia na mba bepe ni nyina odi ekoso ni ade comment ni ade mo